Let's bring in Lou Basenese. He's Executive Vice President of Market Strategy at Prairie Operating Co. and a Fox News contributor, and it's great to have you.
Good to be here.
President Trump didn't like this decision. He put this on Truth. Jerome Too Late Powell again refused to cut interest rates, even though he has absolutely no reason to keep them so high. He is hurting our country and its national security. Powell sees it differently. How do you?
Yeah, amen to the president's remarks, because I think Powell here, this was no surprise that he didn't cut rates. This is political theater. He is trying to maintain the appearance of independence, even though the data suggests he should have cut. If you look at small businesses and job growth there, they're really struggling. So he mentioned that the job market's stabilizing, but not for the engine of economic growth in the United States, and that's small businesses. So,
you said two or three more cuts this year?
Yeah, I think we definitely get 2 to 3 more.
And we're waiting on a Fed chair, and you're saying that the Fed chair's not in charge. You're making the case that Trump's in charge.
I think President Trump has the power here, right? Because the markets want to know what the expectations, the trajectory of rates are going. And all the candidates that the president is supposedly considering are going to be much more dovish and in favor of lowering rates, to put it in simple terms. So what does this all mean for everyday Americans, right? I mean, you're going to feel the squeeze a little bit longer, right? Interest rates are going to be higher on credit cards, on home mortgages, on auto loans, but relief should be coming in the back half of the year. So
there's other bigger news, longer term news on the economy in terms of what the president wants to do to invest in young people. So Nicki Minaj, she was with President Trump yesterday talking about Trump accounts and financial literacy for youngsters. Watch.
There's nothing greater, well, almost nothing greater, than teaching financial literacy to young people. I got out of high school and I thought everything was just going to be smooth sailing, but I realized quickly, no, I have to work, I have to figure things out on my own. If I had access to something like this, my whole life would have been different.
And she's basically saying that because you kind of start with zero. With these accounts, conceivably, by the year you turn 18, you would have $50,000 either to keep investing or to draw down on.
Look, this is capitalism with a birth certificate. I absolutely love it. I've been in the markets for almost 30 years now, and the one thing that will determine whether or not you get ahead in the markets, it's not how much you invest or how you invest. It's just that you start early. So, I mean, this is giving every kid a head start. And it's giving people that just don't have any exposure to the markets a really advantage early on. So even if you don't do anything with it, like you said, it could be 50,000, could be as high as 300,000 if you invest it smart.
So if you missed the news yesterday, here it is now. With a Trump account, you could accumulate $300,000 by age 18 if the maximum contributions are made, meaning like the family can put in $5,000 a year.
So can the family's business?
$2,500. If you don't make a single contribution, you still get about $6,000 by age 18. Here are the companies that are already on board. I mean, it's JP Morgan, it's Bank of America, it's BlackRock, Steak and Shake, Robinhood, Intel, Coinbase, Visa. This list is only going to grow now that this has been established.
No, I absolutely love this. The president, once again, is getting collective contributions to this, right? Think about all the foreign direct investment or the bringing manufacturing back to the U.S., $17 to $20 trillion. Now he's doing this. He's crowdfunding accounts for young kids. I think it's a great way to do it. Tax advantages.
You know how some countries have tried to pay people in order to have babies, right? And it doesn't work. But if people feel like their child would be able to have a little bit of a head start, they might be more willing to start that family.
Yeah, and Elon Musk has been adamant about this. Birth rates are declining. We need to incentivize the behavior that we want. This is a great way to do it. I'm going to 50. I might have another kid if I can get another.
There you go.
All right, let's go. Let's make an announcement.
Clock's running, by the way.
America's Newsroom. Who are we calling at home?
I don't have that. My wife might say yes. But
All right, Lou. Thank you. Welcome to the team.
Great to be here.